Hey, welcome back. Do you have a problem with your rear license plate lights? Are they flickering? Are they burnt out? Let's take a look. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, one's flickering. Used to be two. Oh, there it goes. Let's fix those. Alright, let's start by opening up the back of the car. Parts and tools you need to replace my bulbs. 1 pocket screwdriver. Here's the listing. The vehicle itself says that it calls for a 194. But these LEDs will fit 3 different types. I recommend getting white. Alright, now to get started, if you have the rear cargo net, you can take it down to get it out of the way. I'll grab a pocket screwdriver, turn around, look at the door. You'll see 2 squares located here and here. Go ahead and take your little screwdriver, stick it in this little slot. Pry up and out. Easy. This is where you get to your bulb. Grab it, turn it counterclockwise till you hear a little click. And I'll show you again. Pull straight out. Oh, there's the bulb. Grab the bulb, pull straight out. Take your new bulb. Put it in. Put it back in the hole. Line up 2 tabs. You can see there's a locking tab. Turn. It's in. Take your panel to your little feet. And you're done. Let's do the next one. Whoops. Here, let's set you down. That easy. Now if you took down your cargo net, put it back up. Close the trunk. They work. Good job. You replaced your license plate lights.